Good morning. I'm already here. Grabbed us a table by the window. Perfect spot for a Monday morning, don't you think?
Sorry I'm a bit late. The queue outside was enormous. I didn't expect it to be so busy at this hour.
Don't worry at all. And by the way, did you notice what you just said?
What? That I was late?
No. You said the queue was enormous. Not big, not very big. Enormous.
So, what are you having? You already ordered?
Just an Americano for now. I tend to keep it simple in the morning. What are you in the mood for?
Honestly, I can never make up my mind in coffee shops. There are too many options.
Haha, that's very common. And again, did you catch it?
Catch what?
You said you can never make up your mind. That is a beautiful, natural expression. Native speakers use it constantly.
Make up your mind. To finally decide something after thinking about it. I can never make up my mind in coffee shops. Okay, so I think I'll go for a flat white. Actually, wait. Is a flat white the same as a latte?
Almost, but not quite. A flat white has less milk and a stronger coffee flavor. Baristas love that question, by the way.
Good to know. I'll go for the flat white then. Definitely.
Notice how you said definitely at the end there? That is exactly how native speakers confirm a decision out loud. It sounds very natural.
Can I ask you something? I've been meaning to ask for a while.
Of course. Go ahead.
When I speak English with native speakers, I understand everything. But when I try to respond, I freeze. Like my brain just stops working. Does that make sense?
Completely. And you are not alone. This is probably the number one thing learners tell me. There is actually a name for it. It is called fluency anxiety. Your passive English, what you understand, is ahead of your active English, what you produce. The gap closes with one thing only.
Practice?
Exposure. Specifically, exposure to real conversations, not textbooks. Not grammar exercises. Real people, real situations. Exactly like this.
That actually makes me feel better. So what do you suggest, apart from coming to coffee shops with you every week?
Well, that is a good start. But seriously, immerse yourself. Podcasts, films, conversations. And when you hear something that sounds natural, write it down. Don't just let it pass.
Like enormous and make up my mind.
Exactly. You are already doing it.
Okay. Teach me something I would never learn from a textbook. Something people actually say in a coffee shop.
Gladly. 3 expressions. Ready?
Ready.
First, when someone asks how you take your coffee, that means how do you like it prepared? Black, with milk, with sugar. It is not about picking it up.
How do you take your coffee? How do you like it prepared? Black, with milk, with 1 sugar.
Second, when a barista says, "Are you sitting in or taking away?" That means, are you drinking here or leaving with it?
Sitting in or taking away? Drinking here or leaving with it? British English. Americans say, for here or to go.
And third, my favorite. When something is exactly right. The coffee, the moment, the weather. Native speakers say, this hits the spot.
This flat white absolutely hits the spot.
Perfect sentence. Perfect timing.
Hits the spot.
So, what did we learn today without even trying?
Enormous. Make up your mind? Definitely. How do you take your coffee? Sitting in or taking away? And hits the spot.
7 expressions in one coffee.
Not bad. I'll never order coffee the same way again.
And neither will you. That is the point. English is not a subject. It is a skill you build in moments exactly like this one. I'll see you at the next table.